I never thought I'll be doing unboxing video on my real estate channel, but today is the day. And I have a bad hair day, which is every day. When you have a short hair like me, when you wake up in the morning, your hair is always bad. I mean, I never have a good hair day. So guess what I got? Let me show you. So this is kind of exciting too. I branded a baseball cap so I can wear on my bad hair day. I can still make contents out there, try to help people buy and sell real estate. The other thing that I got, let's see, business card. Well, you know, I just thought just match the baseball cap, so I did. You know, I gotta say the email address is a little bit hard to read, especially for people like me with kind of eyes going bad, but you can at least see my name and phone number clearly. So, call me. The other thing that is unusual is this. Do you see that? It's a 100% cotton shirt. So I always wanted to do this, and let me put these on. Okay, whew, that was fast. So what do you think? So I'm pretty much branded at this point. You know, when it comes to real estate, once you figure out the home pricing, negotiation, contract work and everything, after that it's all about marketing. So I decided to add some logos to my outfit when I make videos. And I'll be just wearing this 24/7. So, you know, now I'm finally officially that, you know, cheesy realtor guy who wears his own branding. You know, it's actually a fun thing when you have your own business. You can do this kind of stuff. Which why I really wanted to do this. So I got a few more shirts down here. It was super easy at the Vista Print. I mean, it was like altogether it was like $120 or whatever, and it's just few hours of, you know, design, the color matching. The customer service guy was pretty impressed by my graphic design skill. So things that I've learned throughout the years selling real estate. You need to present the house well and market well, right? So yeah, I just wanted to share my first unboxing video of Realtor's Day here. I don't know. I mean, what do you think about the shirt? Would you wear this if you got one? I have no idea whether I'm gonna just make for customers or not. If the response is really good, I may have to, but we'll see. But going forward, so I can make videos all day long, whether I have a bad hair or not. You see how bad it is? This is my hair when I don't shower, and so I could, boom, ready to go, show you how to sell a house and how to buy a house. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. It's super hot today. Stay cool, like this blue shirt and hat.